Hi everybody, Rita here with GmaReezScrapShack. This is a little junk journal I threw together for our niece, Nancy. Nancy loves cats, and this is using Tsunami Rose, TsunamiRose.net. She has this beautiful cat digi, and I just threw this together for her yesterday. And I want to do a little flip of it. It's using one of my daughter's carry-out bags from her favorite sushi place here in Santa Paula. I want to say it's called Yokozuna or something like that. Anyway, just because, you know, Nancy loves Amanda. Just to have a piece of her. Made a book plate that says junk journal. It's got a kitty on the front. This is just some scrapbook paper that I used for the spine. 3 signatures sewn in with crochet cotton. And this one measures, it's an odd size. I wanted to make it kind of easy for her to carry around. It's 4 inches wide by 8 inches tall. Almost traveler's notebook size. A little smaller, I think. And this paper, the scrapbook paper, came to me in Happy Mail from my friend Dawn. It was some of her favorite paper, mine too, because I have it already too, but I copy stained it so I could put it in this book. And then these are some Tim Holtz rubber stamps of the snarky kitty cats, which I thought was so cute, and hopefully it'll work for Nancy. It says, "I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud?" It's got some tulle and some of my old jeans right here for the backing of that one. Cute little kitty tag I just put on that page with some heart stitching, some Edith, some Edith. Oh, I don't know where I'm going with this. This is some, you know, edge punches. Martha Stewart is what I was trying to think of, not Edith Holden. There's no Edith Holden in this one. Yeah, this page is so cute. I made a little pocket right here, and then in the digital kit it comes with these little pockets that you fold up and they open up, where she can do some journaling in there if she so wants to. I told her big sister Terry, let her do whatever she wants with this junk journal. I know she's gonna love it because she tells Terry all the time that she's a kitty cat. I sewed the signatures together with crochet cotton and put some brass bells on there, like I always love to do. This one says, "Hey train wreck, this isn't your station." I thought that was so cute. I hope I'm in frame. I'm so bad at, you know, making videos, but I like to make a little video before I send them out, just to show what you can do with this digital. This one says, "Look, I'm not saying that you're old, but if you were milk, I'd sniff you first." It's silly. This one just says, "Don't judge me." It's kind of cute. I left lots of room in here for Nancy to be able to add pictures, you know, glue in some of her favorite stuff, or write whatever she wants to write about. This one says, "If you ever need a slightly distracted, unsympathetic friend, I'm here for you." I thought that was so cute. This is coffee stained paper, but it had a pink doily that I laid on top of it, so it turned pink, which I thought was fitting for this. This digital is full of pink and purple and cute kitty cats. Most of the tags I just sewed to some of that brown bag, so make it sturdy enough for her to take them out and put back in the pockets. This one is super cute. I love it. Sometimes I wish I was better at making 2 of everything so that I could keep wood for myself. In my defense, I was left unsupervised, and it looks like she's climbing up the curtain, so I put this paper here that looks like fabric. Really easy. I just kind of threw it together. This one says, "I want you to know that someone cares, not me, but someone." And then down here I put, "At times I'm grateful that thoughts don't actually appear in bubbles over our heads." I thought that was fitting. This is just a little flip up. "I know right from wrong. Wrong is the fun one, and he's got his tongue sticking out. It's kind of cute. I know Nancy's gonna love this. Hopefully she's looking forward to getting it. Gotta try to ship it off today. Look at these cute little kitties. Daisy, I just love this one so much. This is a cute little heart. And then I just stamped it that I made it yesterday, and this is going out to Nan. I hope you love it, Nan. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.